So what I'm finding here is it's like a double wall. We've got the old wallpaper from, I don't know. I mean, this place is 1918. So this looks kind of retro, but maybe this could be wallpaper from 1918. But anyway, so we've got 2 layers here of drywall to get through. And then the fun part in the kitchen is going through this wall. We took out the cabinets yesterday, and we're going to break through that wall so we can have an island and a pass through to the great room here. So yeah, so I'm just going to keep on smashing. I have never been so excited for a working toilet. Such a simple thing. Yeah. Okay, I am doing one of the projects that I was so excited about, and that was taking the carpet out of the first floor. It is disgusting, and so I've been working at getting it out. I've got the pad to get out yet, but I wanted to show you this carpet, what the worst part I've got, the last little bit, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. So I really don't know. I don't understand how people like live with carpet that looks like this. Like, obviously I know this place was abandoned, and what we found out is no one lived here for 5 years. But look at this. Like, did the last person who lived here live like this? I mean, it is like gross. But just taking out the hot tub relieves some of the smell in here, and I think taking this out will relieve the rest. So here we go, last little bit. So I was hoping to keep So I'm taking out the carpet tack strips, and I was hoping to keep all these walls and not to take out the sheetrock, but I am finding a lot of moisture and the walls kind of move. So I think it is a damp basement, so I think we're gonna have to probably take that out. What I didn't expect was to see these little friends, little millipedes or whatever those things are that love damp basements. But this did have carpet and a carpet pad, so we're gonna have to see if we take the walls out. This wall looks pretty good. This is the one next to the solarium, so that looks pretty good. The wall on the other side, however, that looks like it's pretty damp as well. So, whoops, we're gonna see what we have to do there. But yeah, we're getting these strips out. That looks pretty damp in there. So we'll see what we gotta do. So the poor guys come today to install the internet cable because this house doesn't have one. And basically they have to go from the street to the house, and they brought 2 shovels like that. They think they're gonna dig a hole from our house all the way to the pole, which is right there. Good luck, guys. So I think most women enjoy shopping and getting a new purse or a new outfit, new piece of jewelry, something cute for their home. Me, this is what I get excited about. A shop vac! All right, so it's been a process, but we got all the carpet and the tacky strip out from this room. So now the next step is to take all the stuff that is in this room here and all the stuff that's in this room and put it, oh hi Charlie, and put it in that corner to store it, and so we can start working on the utility room here when we get HVAC and plumbing and stuff coming in, and our furnace and stuff is in the back of this room. So we're gonna get these two rooms cleaned up, and then we can start moving things around and starting with flooring in here. So this is the space that I'm going to be meeting with clients, and hopefully being able to take some photos as well, set it up for a little studio. We're gonna get rid of the two things on the ceiling so we have higher space. And then the solarium in there will get fixed up as well. So it's all a process, so bear with us. Looks like I got some work here today. I'm taking out all the carpet, taking out the hot tub, all kinds of stuff. Look up here. This is all the carpet from upstairs, a little bit of drywall. However, yay, we got a dumpster. Hi, Charlie. So we've been here 1 week. Let me show you our little camp here. So in our great room, we've got our little living area. We had a TV set up. We just got internet yesterday. So we're here basically almost a week with no internet. And there's our bedroom right there. I made myself a little office. This is our closet. It's living out of suitcase and boxes. Yeah, and this wall's coming down this weekend and lots more stuff. But I just wanted to show you our little camp for the time being until we get our upstairs done. Luckily it's summer. We don't have heat, so the sun in the afternoons really help, but we work so hard that we don't need more heat. So there you go. This wall is crazy. I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to show you some of the shoddy work that we're finding under here. Okay, so first of all, that's supporting that main beam that goes in there. But this beam, it's like not even touching. And then it's supported by those, which is only supported by this half of a 2x4. The whole wall is just, I mean, it's just crazy. There's like things that aren't even touching the ground. I think there used to be an old doorway here, but I don't know. It's pretty interesting. So we're gonna shore that up. And then the beam up there on the very top, that I'm assuming is a supporting beam from upstairs, but A, it's sideways, and B, it looks just like a 2x6. That needs to be a thicker beam, so we're gonna support that second level quite a bit better and support this one better too. So, because it's just being supported by basically one 2x4. So anyway, that's what we're dealing with. So I'm just sitting here taking a little bit break before I load this dumpster. Charlie and I are just sitting here, and I'm just sitting here thinking about all the hard work and the sore muscles and the dirt and the cobwebs and the gross carpet and the broken water lines and the broken heater. And I am sitting here on a beautiful sunny day, looking out over our trees, listening to the birds sing, and thinking how joyful I am with this place, and just how much it fills my soul to know that we can take this old abandoned house and just bring some love to it. So all this work I'm doing, all the sweat, I'm hoping to lose about 5-10 pounds and get who needs a gym when you got some manual labor that you're doing. But I'm just realizing that I came into this knowing it was going to be a lot of work, knowing it's an old house and that there's going to be things wrong. So I came in with the right mindset, and I am just filled with so much joy. Right, Charlie? Charlie, right? Charlie doesn't care. Charlie's still trying to figure this place out. But anyways, I just wanted to just say that this place fills me with joy, because I know that when we're done with this, we're going to sit on our patio and we're going to just listen to the birds sing. And Dave saw some deer in our yard this morning. Just little things like that makes me realize that my soul is where it needs to be. Right, Charlie? Yeah, Charlie said yes.